Hi, my name is Fang Yuxin. I'm applying for a graphics program at the Classical School of Art. I'm currently an undergraduate student majoring in graphic design at Food University. My core courses include brand visual identity, printing processes, and digital media. During my studies, I gradually realized that traditional graphic design often remains confined to static, paper-based medium such as print and layout. As a result, I began to actively explore how visual language can be extended into more realistic and complex service and design contexts. I believe that the core of design lies in understanding and responding to real needs, allowing visual communication and technology to truly function within specific scenarios. Based on my personal experience as a pet owner, I designed a service-oriented application for pet owners. Through observation, I noticed that as the number of pet-owning households increases, issues related to pet safety and health are becoming more prominent. In addition, pet owners often encounter difficulties in social interaction, access to information, and emotional support. Therefore, I started by collecting online resources and user feedback to identify the high frequency needs and pain points of pet owners in their daily lives. During the early stage of functional planning, I initially attempted to include as many features as possible. However, this led to an overly complex information architecture and page hierarchy, which in turn reduced users' efficiency in completing key tasks. To address this issue, I returned to a needs-based analysis, restructured the functional logic, and conduct user testing using low-fidelity prototypes. By analyzing multiple user paths and page hierarchies, I continuously interacted and optimistic the design. At present, the project still had technological limitations. For example, the online real-time consultation feature has not yet achieved smooth audio and video communication, which affects interaction efficiency and the establishment of user trust. The project made me aware of areas where I still need further improvement. Through my audience, I hope to further develop my ability to integrate visual system, information, architecture, and interaction, experience more cohesively through practice in interaction and cross-media design. I chose classical because it encouraged graphic design to break through the boundaries of traditional media, connecting visual experience with social issues and real-life contexts. I hope to further develop my practice in graphic design and interdisciplinary collaboration at Classical, engage with understanding designers, and continue exploring how visual design can create for embroadened and more complex scenarios. Thank you.